Hello everyone, let's learn how to build an interactive 2D car racing game development using game logic and branching constructs in C. So first, let me explain the core concept. The text discusses how branching statements such as if else and switch are used to execute different logic based on user input or specific condition. This forms the basic of game logic. Next, for the application in graphics, we use graphics.h. And then let's see an overview. So first we start and initialize the graphic mode. Then we display the main screen. Then we take the users from the input. Like for example, we prompt them to enter the characters and colors and whatever they want to choose. Then we apply branching logic to perform action. Then we update the graphic output. We repeat the steps again in a loop. And then we close graphics and end the program. Thank you.